Thank God for the good weather for us to host our weekend car meet under the sun. Thank you. We had a little bit of rain, but it's not so bad. It didn't dampen the mood. Everybody's happy. Thank you to all the car groups, of course, that came and show up to us. Thank you. Thank you to everyone. Thank you so much.
Ang gusto ko sabihin, ang ginawa nila dito, every year sana tuloy-tuloy gawin ng hindi lang auto industriya, sana pati ibang mga car organization na yung meet up na ganyan, nakakabuhay ng excitement, lalo na sa mga car enthusiasts.
Super thankful for everything that you guys have given me and all other car enthusiasts in the Philippines. Napakagandang platform na nakakatuwa kung saan nanggaling at kung nasa na ngayon. It's such a great story to hear. And this is really the perfect way to celebrate 25 amazing years of AutoIndustria.com. More power, AutoIndustria.com.
Sobrang quality yung mga tao nandito. Sobrang maayos. Iba yung feeling compared sa mga ibang car meets. Ang gaganda ng mga kotse, talagang masasabi mong may pagmamalaki mo yung mga nandito mga kotse na tuwa kasi ang gaganda nilang lahat.
We're here to celebrate AutoIndustria.com's 25th anniversary at Car Week here in Green Hills. We have this Auto Expo here in GH Mall's South Wing Atrium, which we started on a stormy Monday, which will be up to Sunday, September 28th. So check out the latest cars from BAIC, BYD, GWM, Lynk & Co, Mitsubishi Gateway, Suzuki Gateway, and Toyota.
On behalf of the City Government of San Juan, I would like to welcome all of you to Green Hills Mall. Maganda ba ang Green Hills Mall? Ako, super ganda. And of course, I'm excited to be here. And just to share with you, a few months ago, Brent came to see me. And he was sharing his vision of having something like this. And I told him, you know what, Brent, I will help you. Because when I was much younger, back in high school, I would go to Creekside. Yun yung kinakwento ni Brent na across the Crossroad Arcade. We used to call it Creekside, and that's where all the car enthusiasts would meet. And I was sharing to Brent, of course, because of Auto Industria, sila yung mga mahilig talaga sa mga kotse. No? Sana ma-revive natin yung ganong klaseng car culture dito sa Green Hills. So let's see how we can somehow revive it as much as we can. And as you have your car meet in the next few days, it's gonna help me really reminisce my younger years. No? Dito sa Green Hills talaga nag-gather yung mga mahilig sa kotse at marami kang magiging kaibigan.
When we were starting back in the early 2000s, because of you, we are here today celebrating our 25th year. Thank you for trusting and believing me and Bench, who were fresh out of school, who started this website about cars. Some thought we were crazy. Some didn't even know what a website was. We slowly evolved it to what it is today. Thank my hardworking team and with the mission to provide honest car reviews and serve up the latest news and features.
So I'm here to congratulate you and to support you, and please plan for more events such as this.
Happy 25th year ang Auto Industria. Laki na ng in-improve nila sa automotive media.
25 years ago, when I was still in high school and college,
mahilig ako mag-Yahoo, kung ano yung mga car information sa internet. And lumabas, isa doon is Auto Industria. Back in 2004, nag-join ako, nag-register ako. And yun na, naging part na ako ng Auto Industria life also.
First time ko po pumunta sa car meet na ganitong level. Pero naman po akong nakilala, kasama ko po yung group ko, yung Mafia Car Builds. Kahit na medyo maulan, ngiti pa rin, tuloy-tuloy yung laban.
So enjoy naman kasi makikita mo maraming iba't ibang car enthusiasts dito and mas makaka-bonding natin sila kasama and ayun, meet new friends.
I just would like to congratulate Brent, Vince, and the whole team for making it this far, and more power to you guys.
Hi, ako si Jay Contreras ng Blackpink in your area. Happy 25th anniversary sa Auto Industria.
Congratulations, Auto Industria. Happy 25th anniversary po sa inyo.
Happy 25 years, more power. Happy 25th year and more to come.